Yo. I'm trying not to spill this fucking coffee. Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Mic check. Mic check. Microphone check. Microphone checker. More fucking mail I gotta go through. I love mail. Don't you guys love mail? What was I gonna do? Oh, I gotta log into this account. I gotta log into Take Profit Trader because I activated my 5 funded 25K accounts I passed. 3 days. It took me 3 days. Well, it really took me 2, and then I had to get a flip day. But that's the cool part now about Take Profit Trader being 3 days to pass instead of 5. I only have to fucking do flip, if I go the usual route, which is try to get half on the first day, half on the second day, I only have to flip for 1 more day before I get the account. And so can you. Anyway, that's that. So just bear with me. Bear with me, chat. Thanks, chat. Hope you guys are having a good day. My day started off really sucky in terms of trading, but whatever. The show goes on. I think it just feels like with Tradeify, I'm meant to have that one funded account until I go live. It just feels that way. It just feels that way. I don't know why. It just based on everything that's happened. Just based on everything that's happened since I started trading with them. I always end up with this one fucking account that I've gotten 3 payouts on, and I'm, trying to get the 4th payout, which will be for 3,000. So, it's interesting. What the fuck? It's interesting. Chat. All right. Let's turn on my screen sharing. Okay, chat. Thanks, chat. All right. All right. So, here they are. My Take Profit Trader Pro 25Ks. Missed some opportunities to trade them. They weren't even on my radar to trade. Why can't I fucking drag this fucking, the fuck is going on? There we go. I was like, what the fuck? Is that me? Is it me? Aren't you supposed to be able to drag this shit up and down? Yeah, something's up with this shit. What the fuck? Oh, here's my trade days. I mean, my Tradeifys. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on with my laptop. Shit ain't fucking working. Shit is not working. It's Chrome. I gotta restart Chrome or some shit. I can't fucking scroll. What the fuck? Since when? I can't refresh fucking pages. What the fuck is going on with my trackpad? Cool. This should make for an interesting session. Oh, I can't even fucking. Awesome. Yeah. So anyway, these fucking tradefies right here. They had hardly any drawdown. What's fucked up is I was up $400 on this one, and just had to try to get more. You know, and it was right around here. It was right like here and here. I was trying to grow these 3 accounts. And then look what happened. I was trying to short in this area. And then look what happens. We go up a little bit more and we fucking dump. But why the fuck is my laptop not working? That's what I want to know. Why can't I fucking... I don't know what the fuck is going on. It's kind of fucking annoying, though. Is it me? Yeah, my fucking... The Finder application needs a quick refresh. Oh, look at that. I closed the Finder and now it's fucking working. Amazing. Fucking piece of shit. You piece of shit. Anyway, glad we solved that. So yeah, but here's the thing though. Look at this one. This is the one. Let me load it up. Let me load up Tradeify. This is the account that I've gotten 3 payouts on. I was literally $20 away from my 4th payout. All I had to do was hold for 5 more seconds, and I get it easily. But no. And then I end up hitting the daily loss limit, losing almost $2,100. I got $626.96 the next day. I got $625.40 yesterday, and I got where is it? I got $625.70. Actually, I had more than that. I lost money on purpose. I have $625 because I don't want to have to get more than I need to. $625.70 today. So I got almost all of that back. I only need like $300. I did the math. I only need like $300, which we'll try to get tomorrow. How hard can it be? And then we'll get our 4th payout on the same fucking account. The only one I could seem to get a payout from with Tradeify. But here it is. 1, 2, 3. That'll put me at $45, $6, $9,000 with that one account in payouts. Before fees. After fees, after they take the 10% that they pay you less, it's not any other reason other than to pay you less. Don't let these prop firms tell you any different with the profit split. It's not a real profit split until you fucking go live. However, after they take that, it's $8,100 from one account. That's pretty cool. That's the idea, but you want to get it with multiple accounts. But anyway, and then I didn't trade my trade days yet. I did trade my fund of futures. I blew my pro on this drop right here. I was fucking mopping, and I just was like, yeah, I'll go long here. Cool. And it fucking went down lower. Of course, it went down a little bit lower, and then now it bounced, and I'd be fucking green as a motherfucker. But whatever. We passed this one. This one's passed. This one's up another. This one's almost passed. These are the rapid end of days. This one is more than halfway there. So I like the pros like a pipe dream for me anyway. You got to fucking grow you can only get paid once every 2 weeks, but you could run that shit the fuck up. I had one. I was $4,500 over the fucking buffer or $3,500 over the buffer, and I blew it. So I don't know. Maybe it's better that I blew it. But anyway, we're gonna activate this fucker, and we're gonna see what we can do with these. So we're gonna create a group called Goy Boy, because that's what I am. I'm a Goy Boy. Not to be confused with a soy boy. If you know, you know. Let me activate the group. Interesting spot for a fucking bounce. If you go to this low, oh, look, the 618. What a fucking surprise. This low and this high. The last low and this last high. The 618. It just missed hitting it. So I'm gonna go into my my fund the futures account. And yeah, that's my pro. Whoop-de fucking do. All right, where is it? 52? Yeah, let's upgrade. Congratulations, you passed that shit, motherfucker. All right, who's here? Sorry, guys. Sorry, chat. Hey, chat. Thanks, chat. Of course it wants to go all the way back up. Let's move this fucker down more because it's more appropriate. Right there. So, let's hit refresh on this. Motherfucker. Hold on a sec. I guess my session timed out. All right. All right. All right, I'm in. I'm back in. There's my little funded rapid right there. There's my funded rapid. Now you can tell the difference. Instead of it saying EV, it says SF. EV means eval. SF means sim funded. I made a video about whether or not, I made a short actually, whether or not some reasons I give why I think it's better to trade sim funded accounts with prop firms than live accounts. Yeah, let me post a link because I would know because I have experience doing it, you know, and I still think sim is better all fucking day. All fucking day. Not even a question. Not even a fucking question. Vincenzo, yo, here's the Discord link. Let me get that for you, bro. It's not even a fucking question which is better. Not even close. All right, so who the fuck is here? We got I want to make sure I say your name right, even though I butcher everybody's name. D. Dushad, what up? What up? Armando, Marcos, Jay Jackson, whoo, John Q, NJ. East Coast in the house. I'm from Alabama, though. That's all right. Hot Shot, Dips and Peaks, Monica, David Schneider, Marcine, Eric J, Stephen Cox, MAGA Musketeer. MAGA Musketeer, that's a good question in terms of my strategy. If I could be patient, I let it come to me. That's how you really want to be in the market. You want the market to come to you. But, you know, we have to, honestly, we do have to react. We're all reacting to the market. We're just sitting here. Even if we're, Eric J, what up? Even if we're fucking, even if we're waiting for it to come to our spot, it's still a reaction. Joker, King, Delay, GB, Stephen Cox, David Schneider, Tim Morgan. Chewy.com was down. Damn. Just my style. That's wild. I trade. Just ain't right. Mwah. Sean. Saeed. Fallacy. J Min. Is the Apple ecosystem better for traders or PC? Most people like PCs. I just been using Apple since like 2008 or 9. They say once you go Mac, you never go back. Bald Eagle. Mr. Beg Beef. Oh shit. That's who it was. I was like, yesterday I don't know, a couple of days ago I was talking about the 887. And I couldn't think of your fucking name. And I was like, oh, it's Mr. Beg Beef. Once I saw you, I was like, yeah, that's who always talks about the fucking 887. TJP. Here comes the money chat. You guys ready to bank? You guys ready to bank with ZERODAYJay? Olivier. The highest pay rate code. PC stands for poor choice. Good one. Once like I don't know, I just love like the keyboard. I'm literally on a fucking laptop, a MacBook Pro. Man, once I started using Macs and like anytime I fucking type on a PC keyboard and it's going, I'm like, this shit is fucking disgusting. It makes me fucking nauseous. Marcine. Susan Brennan. Markel. Valio. Montel Carter. Simplistic. I'm doing good. My trading's been okay. But I'm alive. And everybody in my family's healthy. So what more can I ask for? TJP. I'd like to get a fucking payout, though. Tay-Day. Baltimore in the house? Hell yeah. I've been to like conferences down in Baltimore, like business shit. It's cool down there. The harbor, the inner harbor. Stephen Cox. I like to come with the market. Exactly. Stock cards and bets. Isaac. We're going to make bank today, guys. Casalisk. Raphael. You want to come with me to Lake America? Oh, man. That guy is fucking funny. He's fucking funny. He saved my ass, too. He saved my ass. Because that account I just activated, let me show you. Let me find some screenshots. It's fucking wild. What I had to fucking endure, even though I didn't have to, but I was like so annoyed. I was like, whatever. It was, I needed, first of all, I did the math wrong on where I put my take profit. Yeah, here it is. So I get in here. I get in short here. And immediately it fucking does this, of course. Because I'm an idiot. And then it goes down here, but my take profit was here. You see it's a little bit lower. It's like 2 points lower. I didn't even need those 2 points. I did the fucking math wrong. I needed 5 points. And this would have been enough right there. What an idiot. And then all of this happens. Like, I'm like, oh my God, this shit's going to blow. And then fucking Trump comes on and starts talking his talk, starts talking smack about shit. And it fucking came down and hit my take profit. I was like, yes. You see, guys? That's how you got to do it sometimes. But man, yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm going to do here. What's gold looking like? Oh my God, gold. Gold's flagging. But look at gold, guys, on the larger time frame. The 707. 755. We dropped 130 something points off the 707. Actually, specifically from the 707, 721, 100 points. We did wick over it by like 20 or 30. But look, I mean, this is the daily chart. Shit like that's going to happen. It's not going to be right on it all the time or hardly ever. Doesn't mean gold's not going to go up higher, but it's just interesting. And then where we bounced is even interesting as well. If I could find it. This low right here, this little wick. Actually, I mean, that's not even... I had it in a different spot and it made sense. But you know what? I think this is a more appropriate one, which maybe tells me that we might go lower. I don't fucking know. I don't know. But in the meantime, I haven't really been trading gold all that much. So probably best to stay away from it with a fucking brand new funded account. And I don't want to trade with 3 minis, although that would make it fun. We would bank. We're going to try to bank. We got these take profit traders right here. And I still got my trade days I didn't touch. So we'll see. I'm just happy that I'm literally $300 away from payout number 4. I delayed the inevitable, chat. And the reason why I didn't try to get more is because of consistency rule issues. So anyway, let me refresh this. Who gives a fuck about those other accounts? They're gone. They're dead. Watch. They're not even, oh, why are they still in there? Oh, whatever. Doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm not afraid to show blown accounts or account numbers or my balances. I'm just like everybody else. This shit's fucking whack. I might have to trade gold. Fuck. Where are we at? There's a lower day. Here's the higher day. What's the range on gold today? 83 points. Or 81 points. 618, almost at the 707. Cucking around by the fucking VWAP. I don't know. I don't know, chat. No, I wish it was the daily payout account. It was simplistic. It's a growth account. Donna, Coach Fred, GMAT. Yeah, MAGA Musketeer. Just be aware that it doesn't always work. Like any other strategy. I trade very similar to D Money. He uses the fibs. Wondering Woods. He uses the Fibonacci's. Like I base almost every fucking move I make off the fibs. That's not delaying, that's edging. Hey-oh, Tony Gold. Donna. Oh, Donna. I wonder how many times someone has sung that to you. Coach Fred. Some streamers love trading tape prop trade because they conveniently disappear. Yeah. They'd be like, I don't have any take profit trader accounts, guys. Mike Crotch, what up? Hey, you just hit it, man. Hey, listen, I'm not opposed to fucking, some people say how you trade evals is how you trade your funded accounts. I'm not opposed to fucking YOLOing fucking evals, man, just to get that shit the fuck over with. 9 to 5, what up? Newts. Does D Money show any of his trades yet? That's what Newts said. Market to stream, what up? Only the winners. Only the good ones. I don't know. I have nothing against, I don't even know the guy. I have nothing against him. It's just funny. I just let other people say what they, based on what they see, say whatever they want about people. I can't control what other people are going to say about people. I do find it interesting. 9 to 5, what up? I do know that fucking Brian Stonk is a bitch. And so is Lanto. I do know that for a fucking fact. But anyway. Thank you, Falsey. I appreciate it. Just my stuff. All right, what are we doing here? What do we got for earnings today? Yo, watch out for Marvell. And watch out for Rubik's Cube. Where is it? Oh, Ulta. Yo. I just spent like fucking $240 at Ulta the other day. Not for me, of course. Shit's fucking expensive in there. Look, we almost touched the 707. Oh, fuck it. We'll see what happens. Just ain't right. I obviously, like, I have no idea what he does. I don't even watch. But I can tell you one thing. he wouldn't be the only one. I know. I can't say, but I know. More people than you think fucking do it. Because it looks great, especially if you're especially if you're an influencer or a streamer. What up, TGT? You gotta make yourself look good. You gotta present yourself a certain way to get the likes, to get people to use your code. I just present myself exactly how I am. Sanyel. I like the quick pay only because it's just like the original, it's just like the legacy accounts, but the buffer's higher. Gap earnings. Get it? See, look, we're kind of at the 707 here. This might hold here. And what also is like, you got this right here. Look where it rejected, the bottom of this fucking cuck. So we'll see. I don't know, though. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised if I miss it. We got any fucking Iran's resign. Dahi region and Beirut are our red lines, and no one has the right to move toward Beirut and the Dalai Lama. U.S. money market fund assets rise to 7.93 trillion at ICT. Iran's reside. Who are all these fucking people from Iran? Ships will transit through the designated central channel in the Strait of Hormuz if the U.S. meets Iran's conditions. I thought the strait was open already. I thought we had full control of the strait. Which one is it? Conditions include ending the war in the region. Trump is expected to convene a meeting with U.S. refiners and fuel retailers next week to highlight efforts to bring down gas prices. Fed's Collins, the recent inflation data was mixed, with the headline figures stronger than expected, but there are promising signs in the details. Watching bond yields, what has no comment on Besant's intervention. Recent increase in bond yields is still inconsistent with price stability. All right, fuck that guy, Collins. White House spurns a return to June deal with Iran. Oh, damn, crude popped. Trump ends remarks at the White House. Trump, Canada is the worst to deal with on trade. Yo, fucking Birchwood bats are expensive enough. Now there's going to be another tariff on Birchwood. This shit shot up enough already because of supply chain. Remember everything with COVID was we got supply chain shortages because of COVID. They blamed everything on COVID. We don't want Canada to make cars for the US. Oh man. Yeah, I thought, you know what it looked like, Marcin? It looked like White House sperms a return to June deal. It looked like sperm for a second. Am I the only one who saw it like that? Sly Fox. Yeah, I got an order there. Well, mine's at 643.50 in case it doesn't go all the way up. No, you could request sooner than that. Sanyel. But you have to pay instead of it being an 80-20 split, it's a 50-50 split. Just ain't right. Yeah. Stock cards and bets. I wouldn't be surprised, man. They fucking popped that yesterday. Gas was cheap. Yeah. We are currently using submarines. Mob Barley. Smokey the Soccer Dad, what up? Yeah. I just haven't been watching it a ton, so I don't want to like bounce back and forth. Like right here, that's like a 7.86 bounce. Watch this. I just don't know if it's going to, gold is wild. Look, I didn't even need to fucking draw it. There it is. I told you guys. You see, guys? And how many points did that fucking bounce? 83. Not points, but I like to count in ticks. 40 ticks. 37 ticks. This little pop right here. 546 to fucking 721. 170 ticks. Yeah, this shit is moving very sluggishly. Jay Jackson, yeah, I mean, he has to. He has to take credit for it. We're literally just gonna cuck around. I mean, we slowly grind it up. I mean, we are up almost 40. We are up 40 points from when I got on the stream. We popped 40 points. It's not like we didn't go up more. I just wasn't feeling it or paying attention, really. There's gold. What's Crude doing? Where the fuck is Crude at? What's the new contract for Crude? CLZ? CLV? CLZ? Whatever. Fuck that shit. I don't know which one it is. CLD's nuts. CLD's. Let's go back to the NQ. Oh my God. Wake me up when something fucking cool happens. It's fucking hot in here. I don't run the fan anymore because it's loud as fuck. And I think YouTube is putting me in front of less people because of that. So I stopped using the fan like a month ago. I think it's helping. We're hitting like 180 something people a lot of times now lately. 170 to 180 on concurrence. Interesting how it comes up to it doesn't quite hit the 707, but look, it rejected off of these two candles. Are you serious? That's all it took, huh? I guess this. It couldn't just go off a little bit more. Oh, yeah, you got this right here. This. All acting like resistance for now. Interesting. But this cuck zone right there, guys. I mean, I don't know. I mean, this is just fucking shit price action. 22. That's 9 points. We're in an 8 to 9 point fucking cuck zone right now. Ugh. Maybe it pushes higher so I could get filled here. That'd be cool. I almost don't even want to fuck with this shit with these take profit trader accounts. Yeah, so this went up from 583 to 642. 60 ticks. Sparta, what up, George? Crank. Yep. I am simplistic. That's exactly what I'm waiting on. I'm just worried about, the MOC candle, what it's going to do. This thing could fucking shoot up and make new highs for all I fucking know. Umar, what up? Bullhead Mike. Tradeify now allows 8 sim funded accounts total. Amazing. I can only seem to hold on to one right now. That's good to know though. Use my code ZERODAYJAY, 40% off, guys. I think up to 5 uses and it's 30% off after that. I got some. Hey, I spilled some coffee on my shirt. I gotta pee so fucking bad. I gotta pee, and I'm gonna get fucking filled. My order on the chart. Maybe not. Coach Fred. Dakota rewatches his own streams. Coach Fred, like, I actually did the other day. I listened to it. I just wanted to hear just how ridiculous I am when I'm on these streams. Because I was testing it. I'm uploading. Zoe, what's up? I'm uploading my content on another medium. but they have, it's like if you're inside the app, you could watch the videos, but if you're not inside the app, you could only listen. So I was just curious how it sound, like how I sound just talking, if it was like a podcast. There it is. I'm gonna fucking regret this. Oh, am I not gonna get filled? All right, here we go. Remember, these are intraday trailing, so I'm probably gonna be trailing tight and getting annoyed about it. But there's a 786. Let's see if it does something cool here. Coach Fred. Yeah, bro. I rewatched a couple of my Top Step appearances just to see like what specifically did I say or do that got me uninvited for the rest forever. And I listened and it wasn't that bad, especially the last one I was on when Paytech was there. It wasn't that bad at all. Come on, drop it. I got a fucking piece so bad. No, Granny. I got a fucking tinkle like Rip Van Winkle. Record holder for fucking combine passing online. I know. It's too easy. All right, I'll be right back. Keep an eye on this trade. As long as it doesn't go up 75 points. Holy earth. Thank you, man. I'll be right back. Uh-oh. Whoops. Uh-oh. I guess this is going to be, look how much drawdown I already lost. Because I was up $100, $107 to make them holla. This might fucking pop. Let's see if any of these dumb fuck. Oh, that's old. I was like, let's see if any of these dumb fucks have something to say right now. It's probably not a good idea to be fucking. Is that a mosquito? What the fuck? I guess I'm fucked. Great start to my pro accounts. I can't wait to start all over again. Oh! Get the fuck down there! That's gambling! No, it's not. We're at the 786, motherfucker! Come on, go down more. Keep dropping it. I'm gonna get shaken out. More. That's it. It just wants to shake me out so bad and then go lower. I had 262. What did I tell you? I literally said exactly what was. It's the same shit every time. Let's see if it fucking drops some more. That wasn't even anything really, if you think about it. 50, 20 fucking points. That's nothing. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. 20 points ain't shit for an MOC candle. All right, well, there goes all my gains, guys. Retesting the 7A6. Let's see if this fucker holds. Can we just like dump 100 points? That'd be fucking awesome. Wishful thinking. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Hot shots. Josh. Vero. Tech review. Yeah, exactly 650. You had an order there? Well, I've had that happen to me a fuck ton of times. Ash, what up? Well, we were green. And then I re-entered. I'm telling you, if I didn't go back in, if I didn't go back in, look how much drawdown I don't have anymore. If I didn't go back in, it would have went lower. I fucking guarantee it. I guarantee it. That fucking sucks. Somebody said something. It's funny that, like, the only day I'm going to be red, my first red day trading during the stream, during power hour, is going to be with funded take profit trader accounts. I'll probably blow these fucking things. Let's fucking blow these fuckers. Let's go. There's nothing better than a day one blow job. I'm talking about prop firms, guys. Futures duck. Whatever. I don't even fucking care. Honestly, I don't even fucking care anymore. I'm so fucking over some of the shit I've been doing when I trade and what's been happening to my accounts, and I'm still profitable. It's just fucking, I'm like, whatever. I don't know. It's a fucked up spot to bounce too. Well, not really. You had this fucking wick, this wick. You had this shit. It just wants to go all the way up first before it comes back all the way down after I'm done. Yeah, I'm fucked. Look at, like, I have no drawdown. This is why I wanted to try with the 25Ks and one more time, and this is why I don't like them. I have literally no fucking drawdown left. You get nothing. This would have never happened in fucking Lake America. Maximus, what up? Gary BB, what's good? Nah, I guarantee I'll probably blow these accounts. Whatever. Can't wait for the 55-minute candle is going to make a new high. I even said it too. I was like, we'll probably just make new highs because I want to go short here. I had something. There we go. Fuck yeah. Look, no fucking drawdown left. It's crazy. Look, what did I tell you guys? I'm going to blow these fuckers. And then I'm going to go short in my funded futures account because I fucking know. I've seen this happen so many times. Holy fuck. Oh, yeah. Drop it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just a little bit more to blow this fucker. Look at that shit. This is why this is why I shouldn't be fucking with 25Ks. Fucking blows. It's funny. I call the a new high a day. I call it, and I don't go with it. I don't trade it. I call the new fucking high a day. Rewind the tape. Dimitri, what up? I don't think Mahmood, what up? I don't think my trading style is optimal for 25K take profit traders. It's just look. I mean, look what happens. If it was end of day, maybe. But I went up $262, and then I gave that 232. Why did I go up 262 in these two? But whatever. And then I gave that back, and I lost all that drawdown. It's gonna go higher. It's gonna go higher. I don't even care. I don't even fucking care anymore. As far as I'm concerned, they're goners. They're dead. So let's just fucking finish the job right now. There. You see, oh wow. Why did those die? Yeah, let me make it. No, these will die on their own too. There you go. Hey, my first fucking time losing on the fucking on my stream in what? This is like the sixth day. In 6 days. Of course, it's brand new take profit trader funded accounts. Finish them. Finish them. Just fucking finish them. There we go. All right, now it's time to go short. Where's gold at? It sucks. You know, it fucking sucks, but oh well. I don't even fucking care. What does suck, though, is 50% is over. Oh well. First time, of course it's with I called new high a day. Of course it's with the Take Profit Trader Pros. Whatever. We'll just do it again. We'll just do it again. Those you can't, Donna. Those aren't. Oh, let's blow these. Let's blow this too. You can't. I don't know. I fucking hate. Honestly, I don't like the way this market's been moving. I'm not seeing it well. I only see it well in one account. Where is it? I only see it well in one account right here. Go figure. Yeah, let's let it go. Let's make it. Let's blow this one quick too. It's goody. Oh well. It's okay. I'm okay with it. I don't give a fuck. I really don't fucking care. I'm used to blowing. You know what? I had to take profit trader 25Ks at 1600 one time. The last time before this one, while I was streaming, and I could have just stopped, and I didn't, and fucking I blew them. So I think I'm done trading 25Ks. It's just not. Yeah, Wild J. That's the only one that's good. Is this a live account? No, it's just a funded account. That's how they count the rapids end of days for whatever reason. But I hope these blow. I hope this blows too. I don't even fucking care. I don't give a fuck. Today is just one of those days where I don't fucking care. I called this shit. I literally called it. I called this shit. I didn't want to blow my Take Profit Trader Pros that I literally just activated today. Didn't want to do that. What's funny, like earlier today, I was like, I don't fucking like this fucking price action at all. This thing's going to go higher. Well, it almost did. Well, don't worry. Give it a chance. There you go. Hell yeah. Let's blow this fucker too. Let's blow them all. What else can I fucking blow? There's one. There's another one. Oh, nice. 871 in this one, 926 in that one. Let's see if I can get another fucking 20 bucks. 549. I got to lose 26 on this, though. Fuck. I can't do it that way. That's good enough. Wow. 910. It's too much. All right, good enough. Let's see. It's gonna fucking bounce off of this shit. Clinville, yeah, we're green everywhere. We're green everywhere. Only where I show you. Scott, what up, man? Investors. Yeah, Bullhead Mike, 25K is not for me, man. I tried. Not with intraday and my style. 50K is my sweet spot. That's where I got 95. At this point, 95% of my payouts with Take Profit Trader have been on the 50Ks. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna happen in time, Jordan. I don't think if it happens at all. Well, here's the spot. It needs to get through this. I just don't know if we have enough time. As soon as the fucking cutoff is over, it'll dump even more. Futures, of course, futures duck. Of course. Probably got top ticked. Here's where it blew. But I'm an idiot. Whatever. You get what you fucking deserve, guys. Myself included. We'll just try again. No, Horace, I'm pretty sure there's still 3 days to pass. They're just not 50% off anymore. They're 40% off with the best fucking code, ZERODAYJAY. Come on, get through this fucking shit right here. Look at this shit. This is being fucking support right here. Fucking weak ass fucking shit. That's all it needed. No problem, Horace. Because I bought them when the sale was happening. I have a couple of blown evals I could reset. I might. Oh, that was cool. Look at it drop. Look. Whoops. I'm in 3. Look at it drop. Oh, you fuck. It's gonna come back up now. Keep going down. You fucking cocksucker, bro. Uh-oh. So much for that. What did I have here? I got out at 70. Fuck, I had $900 more. So I was at $2,200 or $2,300. Of course. Of course. Let's see if it fucking flushes some more. Let's go, Ulta. Let's go, Ulta. Ulta earnings. Let's not give back all my gains. Fucking piece of shit, bro. I'm running out of time, too. Yeah, it's just, yeah, I'm fucked. Maybe not. I had 2,200 here, and then it fucking, look at that candle. That was an earnings candle. 50, 55. Damn, that was a 40-point candle. Come on, fucking dump it. No. It's going to do it at 411. 411. Or the 410. 410, 411 is going to go lower. When it won't matter for this account anymore. Oh, that explains it. That explains it. Maybe it fills this wick, at least for me. There we go. I'll lock in some more. Locking in some more here. Oh, imagine it goes lower than that shit. That'd be fucking amazing. I don't know if it will, though. I think I'm going to get taken out right here. I don't want to get caught in some fucking 40-point candle again. $1,861. This is an end of day trailing funded account. And they do have day one payouts. I don't know if I'm going to get it, but probably not. Amazing. Oh, 62. 7 more points. I mean, whatever. We just got 1,800. We just banked. We just banked, guys, on this funded account. Hey, listen, watch this. You want to see something? Yeah, this is the best part. This is the best part. I added here. Yeah. That's the best part. Yeah, let's make it like it never happened. There we go. It never happened. It never happened. Elevated life. Mikey, what up? But yeah, I'm done. I can't trade these anymore anyway. These are done. But I do have a couple of I think I have two 25Ks that I blew. That were 50% off. Not that it matters because it's 79 to reset, but I'll reset those. And then I'll grab 50Ks tomorrow or some shit. Just to have something to trade. But, you know, Whatever. I suck. It's only right. You get what you fucking deserve. You get what you fucking deserve. No matter what. I bet it's gonna dump now though, because I'm not in it. I can't trade it anymore. I don't know. This is not a bad spot for a bounce, but I can't trade these My Funded Futures accounts anymore. It went down how many more points? 62, 7 more points. It came down and filled this wick. Crazy. And then bounced. But that's not a bad first day. $1,861 on the funded rapid. I got this rapid that's $261 away from passing. This one's less than $1,200 away. Whatever. End of day is better than intraday. I can tell you that much. Just based on personal experience. I'm just annoyed right now. I'm just fucking annoyed. Oh, look, it went lower. Look at that. So it went 12 points lower. Obviously, I can't trade this account anymore because of the cutoff. I told you guys it was going to go lower right after. Look at that. 12. $12 times, that's $720. I would almost be able to take a payout. Broseph, I do it. I do it. I just don't know if the 25Ks. I mean, I already do. The 25Ks, I got to approach it differently. At least I'm still good looking. Rank Gap, what up? Tradeify, in my experience, with the payouts I've gotten from them, I get it the next morning. Broseph, what up? Elevated Life, yeah, right away. This one right here, I'll show you. It ended, the number ended, it was an eval that ended in 52. I'll show you in the Discord. 52. This was it right here. I passed it today. And then I activated it. Look at this shit drop though. I told you guys it was going to go lower. So, and look, and that's the most fucked up part is I got taken out of the, I'm back to my entry on the one take profit trade. Like the first entry when I re-entered was right around here. We're back there. Amazing. You got 4 halfway? Nice. They're 50% off. They're like $104 with the best code, ZERODAYJAY. So today was the first time in over a week that I fucked up accounts on the stream. Oh, well. And then I went and did this. I did this after, and I did this after. Because I knew it was going to fucking drop. Look, it's still going down. Still dropping. Don't worry, I'll get $750, no problem. No problemo. Whoops. No problemo. Am I not going to get filled? Does it want this low up of the VWAP band? No. No, I'm not going to get filled. Cool. Well, look, this shit dropped. When did I get taken out? Bro, I got taken out at fucking 62. It went down to 46. It went down another fucking 16 points or so. It went down 16 points. It would have been another $960. Whatever. We'll try and get the rest of it. We'll try and get enough tomorrow to get a payout. One mini. Is 580 too much for a 25K select tradeify eval for one day? It's 40%, Bowser. 40%. We need to protest it taking too long for us to trade nanos. I can tell you one thing, I'm probably never going to trade a nano unless it's just to get a flip day in. You got to do the math. Tradeify, what is it, a 25K? Select. 1,500 is the profit target. No, you're good. It's 600. 600 is the magic number to not have to. 600 is the magic number to not have to grow the account more than you need to. Because if you do the math, the profit target is 1,500. It's 40% consistency. So 40.4, $600 on the eval side. Uh-oh. They are cheaper than the Rapids. However, the most you can make in a day on a select, if you choose the daily payout option, is $1,000. If you choose the daily option, and there's a daily loss limit. I mean, right now it's $5 more to not have a daily loss limit and not be capped at $1,000 on a daily payout. And I like Tradeify. I trade with them. Stock cars are best. That's just the way I trade. I don't trade micros. So, and I'm not going to change it. The only thing I should change is the size of the account. But I had, $79 to reset these. Not a bad deal. I'll grab the other three. I'll grab 50Ks, or I won't grab any more. I don't even know what I'm going to do. Yeah, 1K is great simplistic. But if you're comparing them apples to apples, I think the Rapids are a little better. The ultimate for me would just be able to have as many fucking daily payout accounts as I can, but actually hold on to them and get paid every single day on them. But I haven't been that successful at doing that. Yeah, D. Dushad, yeah. You probably don't want to hang out with me if you don't want to be too fucking aggressive with your trading. I'm aggressive with my sizing. But you should anyway, so you can learn what not to do. I got paid on a wow, this shit just keeps going lower. Too bad I couldn't fucking continue trading this account. Look, it's down Still like 16, 17 points. There's a 786 where I had this before, and then I lowered it. I lowered it on this shit to this level right here, and we're at the 707 in that regard. Well, we'll see. I changed my order. I had an order for 3 here, and I changed it. Yeah, well, yeah. Timing is everything. The entry. It's like, it's like with like buying shit to flip, right? If you're in the game where you're flipping cars for profit, or you're flipping fucking coins for profit, or anything, you're fucking going to garage sales to buy shit and then sell for a profit on eBay and shit like that. There's that saying, you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. And I feel like it applies in trading too, because the entry is everything. And I've made, how many times do you see me get really bad entries and then I get lucky sometimes? The 25K take profit traders are easy as fuck to pass. The evals, yeah. Dimitri. Yeah, because you know why? Because there's nothing stopping us from trying to get more, because a lot of the accounts that do have payouts, that don't, a lot of the accounts that offer, you have to trade for 5 days minimum and shit like that. A lot of them have consistency rules. So you don't want to grow them too big. I don't know. It's just a fucking game. It's all a game. I wanted to fucking see, like, I could have just went long instead. 629. It went up fucking 70 points. Could have got 70 points. But no. And I called it. I said, we're going to make new highs. But I went short because it was at a 786. And I got a little something there. I should have just left it at that and be like, all right, what's next? But that's just part of my evolution and growth as a trader. I like learning. I still like learning the hard way. Yeah, like it's easy to do that type of due diligence on a car or like some sort of precious metal, right? Because you go and look, like, oh, what are these selling for? Oh, let me make this offer. How much is this guy selling it for? Can I make money on this fucking shit? Carlos, what up? But whatever. Who cares what happened on those fucking accounts? I really don't fucking care. I don't give a fuck about these accounts. You know why? Because I don't have them anymore. It doesn't matter anymore. Here's what I give a fuck about. This account, $300 more, I get $3,000 before fucking fees. After Tradeify takes their 10% that they don't want to pay me, because in Sim, that's how it works. They just take it from you. It'll be $2,700, right? Yeah, $2,700 net. I need $300 more. How hard can it be? And then this one's at $1,800, $1,861. Bowser, I guess. Oh my God, look how much lower this is going. Oh. Yo, this is the only thing that fucked me on this is the time. I don't care about, even those evals, I don't fucking care about them. This right here, look, 40. We're down 23 points from where I got taken out because of time. Because of fucking time. 23 fucking points. 25 points. That'd be another $1,200. Amazing. Let's fucking add more. Who gives a fuck? I don't. I really don't. I hope it. Dude, I really, like I said, I don't fucking care. But let's see. It's just fitting that this fucking dropped more. I was in short. I ran out of time. But look, here's the funniest part too. The funniest part is this is where I was. This is where I was when I went long. I went short on the funded take profit trader accounts, and it did this. But now look, it's literally back to where it was. Literally. It's hysterical. That shit went down 34 from fucking 26 points. Alfred, what up? I need more coffee. It's fucking hot in here. So the good news is these are this one's close to passing. This one's more than halfway. This one is a funded account up $1,861. Obviously, I'm not going to start with $3,800 of drawdown, but I think I'm going to start with 2,000 on the next session. But we're very close to getting over the buffer. We'll see what we could do. And then this one is literally $300 away from a fucking payout. $300 away from the fourth payout. Elevated live. Yep. It wasn't until I pretty much got top ticked. What, I missed it by like 7 or 8 points? Maybe more, 15 points. I think I got taken out around here. You always get fucked on Friday, so maybe you shouldn't. If you're gonna have that mentality going into it, maybe you shouldn't trade those. Don't trade either one of those accounts. If you're gonna get fucked on accounts that don't matter as much. You know what I'm saying? I gotta charge my fucking phone. My phone is dead, yo. Need some fucking coffee. Look at you. I should change your mind.
Mm-hmm. So let me just do it now so I don't have to do it later.
Yeah. Let's see if this goes up to my take profit. Wishful thinking. It'll do it no problem on the evaluation. Fuck, I gotta pee again, bro. I broke the seal. Yeah, here I am literally saying that the 25Ks just don't suit my style, but I had a couple of 25Ks I could reset for cheap. So I get them anyway. Hold on a sec.
That looks cute.
Very nice.
Where's Mama?
She's downstairs.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Love you. Bye.
Love you too. Bye. You leaving now?
What?
You guys leaving now?
No.
Oh.
I will go back to my room.
Oh. Anyway, guys, hang on a sec. I got to use the bathroom again. Keep an eye on my tray. Oh, where's my coffee, yo? Where's my coffee, yo? Here it is. I mean, the moral of the story is, it's hard to win every day. You can expect to, but, the biggest thing is learning how to lose. I'm not that great at losing. I would like to get better at losing. Skynet has become self-aware. Yep. Can't wait. Can't wait. Yeah, Carlos, those 300Ks are, the 150Ks are much better. Much better. They're just trying to compete with that Top Step shit. That's all that shit is. What up? There's no sound. sure about that? There we go. I love it when you call me Big Ploppa. Psychic, yeah, because it wants to go lower. But I'm long. So who gives a fuck? Maybe I blow these two. Then I could definitely just say fuck 25Ks forever. That's good, Carlos. That's great. I mean, if you really expand this shit, it could have a long way to go down. But whatever. I don't even, honestly, I don't, today, the way today went, I don't really give a fuck. I could finally put the fucking, I could finally say fuck 25Ks if these blow. I hope I do blow them. I doubt I don't know if I will. 200K static, blue sky. How did I get logged out of fucking Discord? Whatever, I'm not fucking dealing with that shit now. I ain't dealing with that shit now. Crystal, what's up? Yeah. I just, I was on my fucking really good stretch, I wasn't blowing as many accounts. I'm just blowing a lot of accounts basically since March. Although I've been profitable the last 3 months. I mean, I'm profitable overall. I'm profitable in the year by a good amount. I just feel like I'm leaving so much on the table with what I'm doing to some of these accounts, especially like the live accounts. Because, I had $1,200 in that Lucid Live last week that I could have requested. I could have requested even more, but I'm saying I was over the buffer. I was well over. And I still would have had $2,100 of drawdown or a balance or whatever, equity. And I fucking tried to get more and I blew it anyway. So it's like, why? Why? I could still have that account right now. I could have gotten another fucking $4,000 from that account by now or more. But no, I don't have it now. Now I'm fucking sitting here waiting for the opportunity to get a Lucid Max account again and fucking pass it to get a new fucking account to start from zero. Amorpha T, what up? Yeah, the 150. Yeah, man. Those big accounts are fucking hard. Really big. Really hard. T. Charles, what's good? Harjeet. Yeah, we're just greedy fucks, and it's because of this prop firm. It's just a prop firm trading mentality. That's what does it. But I mean, it's not their fault. It's our fault. We have to take responsibility for how shit plays out. You know? Yeah, Captain Price. Yeah, that 25K is a nice in that regard. 750 is nothing. Unless you're trying to get it right now. I might not even have enough time. Yeah, it is. It brings out the fucking degenerate gambler in everybody. But whatever. Just got to keep getting better every day. Every day, try to get better. Every day in every way, I am getting better. I'll check this out, guys. Only one person's watched so far. I'll tell you, I don't know. I might have given it away without saying anything, but it's just a new platform. A new platform I'm posting my content on. I want to see what happens. I didn't know video. I didn't know you could watch videos on it. I thought you only could listen to audio. And once I found out that you could watch videos when you're logged into the app, I was like, oh, fuck it. I'll just upload all my fucking streams. Coach Fred, I mean, I am. I'm not a total degenerate. Like I have strategies. I just don't always adhere to them, or I don't know when to take an L. I'm stubborn. Josh, yeah. That is it. Accountability, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Begbeef. Yep. And there's people, there's people that do what I do, but on a much bigger scale, as in blowing a fuck ton of accounts. There's people that blow more accounts than me and spend more money on accounts than me, and they trade much smaller. So I mean, whatever. Everybody has we all have we could all do it. Whatever works. Whatever you got to do to get profitable. That's all that matters. I am profitable overall. I am profitable this year by a lot, and I hope to continue to be profitable. I'm profitable this month. I'm profitable last month. I'm profitable in fucking June. May, I don't know. April, definitely not. January, February, by a fuck ton. Accountability, yeah. That's what the Discord's for. The best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Yeah, Josh, the eBay shit is great. I have a fucking store, but I don't know. I don't feel like going on there and doing it. You know why eBay started doing that? Because of Whatnot. You ever hear Whatnot? Whatnot fucking cut into eBay hardcore because a lot of guys that buy and sell metals went on Whatnot. Like guys I used to buy metals from on like Instagram started selling on Whatnot, and it's a live streaming platform. So eBay created their own, so they didn't lose anyone. They were probably losing a fuck ton of revenue. Carlos is fucking great, man. That's awesome. Vero, it's a good approach. It's a great approach. Like, dude, we've literally gone nowhere. Something's going to happen in the next fucking 10, 15 minutes. It might happen right now. But I don't know. Honestly, if these blow, I don't even fucking care. I don't even want to fuck with 25Ks anymore after today. You still have 2022 and 2023 accounts. I mean, Mr. Begbeef, I mean, at this point, if I haven't completely fucked myself up by now, you know what I mean? I've actually gotten better. But yeah, I guess that message goes for everybody, you know, because some people can't handle it. You're better off trading micros. Most people are better off trading micros. I just can't bring myself to do it. I just don't like it. I don't hold trades long enough for micros to really fucking be effective for me. How many, hey, we got 130 people in here. Let's see. I'm going to start a new Q&A. Do you, aside from Mr. Begbeef, do you have any prop firm accounts from that you got, and obviously if you're newer to the game, we all know the answer, that you got at least 6 months ago. We don't have to go back to 2022 or 2023. Let's see. Not a Q&A. I want to do a poll. You want to see my poll? Yes or no? Alley Cat. Yeah, and you could trade. The thing about micros, exactly what Coach Fred said. You could still go in with size with micros. Psychic. Some big aggles just trying to get out of some shit. Umar, what up? Well, you missing 1 hour? You missed me blowing an account. I actually fucked up for the first time on a power hour stream in 6 or 7 days. It's only 6% now. It's only 17 votes. Miss K, what's up? What up, Josh? 17% of you are liars. Cut. Yeah, fucking Cut is on fucking fire. Cut is on fire. Carlos is on fire. It just goes to show, like, you know, like, there's nothing stopping any of us from fucking, like, just banking on these fucking things. Appreciate it, Cut. Thank you so much. Like, seriously, he's fucking killing it. Look, see, yeah, the big move happened to the downside. Good. Blow these fucking accounts so I could move on with 50Ks. Oh, yeah, the Discord is fucking lit. The Discord is lit as fuck. Next Gen moved you live. Might be a while before you get that account, Desmond, but good job. We do the poll with 6 days instead of 6 months. There's no fucking way. There's no way. The 12% still have accounts from 6 months ago. I'm not talking about resets. I'm saying you bought the account and you've been trading it and you pass it, it's funded, whether it's funded or not, whether you're the same account, not a reset. You guys are lying. Liars. Or maybe the full-blown degenerate is the fucking minority in this case. Well, not really. Let's do another one. All right. Hold on. Fuck. No way. You guys are fucking liars. 6 months? No way. No way. I don't believe you. How many do you still have accounts? Whatever accounts you bought 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks or further or longer ago, not including resets or rebuilds. Let's just say at least 2 weeks ago. All right, let's see. Yeah, Nate. Yeah, bro. It doesn't mean you haven't gotten payouts. You still have your top step account. Which one is it? Is it one of those 250Ks? Yeah, I mean, I've been able to hold on to accounts for a decent amount of time, but I must be in the minority. Renewals not including renewals, guys. Not including renewals. Not including subscription renewals or fucking resets. Oh, the 50K they take. Yeah, you went on a run. I mean, this Tradeify account. Hold on. This account I've had. How long? When did I get? I don't even remember let's see. All right. I'll go to the fucking calendar. That's how we can find out. I got this account I've had this for more than a month. I've had this for more than a month and I got $6,000 from it. I mean, that's the holy grail. Holding on to an account and getting multiple payouts on it. But look, I probably got the eval on like the 21st or the 22nd. So I've had this shit for a week and a little more than a month and a week or so. 2 really bad days. I'm $300 away from my 4th payout with the same account I got over a month ago. $300 away. How hard can it be? Oh, of course, cut. Holding on to the accounts is the name of the game. Wow, people, 67%? I think it's just a lot of people take their time more than anything. That's interesting. 21 votes. That's interesting. Very interesting, chat. All right, I'm gonna get liquidated soon, so we'll just leave this shit on until I get liquidated. And then what's gonna happen is after I get liquidated, it's gonna pump and blow through my take profit, but I won't be in the trade anymore. Nice job, Desmond. Way to not suck like me. Horse. Yeah, I mean, that's really what it boils down to, is being patient. Cameron. Yeah. I mean, same here. Same here. I had so this funded account was at like 1,500. I had all my drawdown. Look, see, here's my max. I had $1,448. And then I hit the daily loss limit. I got fucked on a fucking Putin candle. I lost more than $1,250, which is the fucking daily loss limit. I lost like $1,650. That's why I only had $350 of drawdown left. The fucked up part is I was up $400 today. This one, oh, there we go. I'm out. All right, so I lost. It went down more. Good. I hope I'm gonna try to blow these tomorrow before the stream, and then I'll just get 5 fucking 50Ks. But I don't know. I might take a break. I might take a few days off from Take Profit Trader because when I fucking do shit like this, I feel like I don't deserve to fucking trade with them for a little while. Any firm, not just them. Give myself a little breather. Watch now. Look, I literally got bottom tick. Now it's gonna pump. Look at that shit. Anyway, tomorrow. Let's see if I could get $300. I mean, I got more than enough days in. I got of $150 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just had this fucked up day right here, but I got almost all of that back. Like if I didn't show you this and I didn't tell you guys or you didn't see it already, you would be looking at this account and be like, holy fuck, that account looks amazing. Look, I got $3,800 of drawdown because I'm well over the buffer. I just need to make a few $100s more because of consistency rule issues and shit. It's Photoshop. O'Brien rules. What up? Yo, I sent you that Zelle money today, bro. Blackout. Yeah, man. You got to figure out what works for you. This coffee is fire. Yeah, exactly, Mr. Bagbeef. Like Top Step has those fucking $50 accounts. I think they got rid of them. I think they already canned it because they were getting fucking hosed. But they had these 50K. They had these 50K accounts. It doesn't even matter the size of the account, really. It's all about the drawdown you're buying. But they had these accounts that were $50. You had to get 3,000 to pass. And then if you got 3,000 in profit after you passed, you got paid $3,000. It was just a one-time thing. You got paid one time, a $50 risk to make fucking $3,000 in a payout, and all you needed to do was get 3,000 twice. No wonder why they got rid of it. Yeah, no problem, O'Brien. Good luck with it. Oh, Lisa. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. I think they just start. I don't know, man. I feel like they all kind of like start you around the same. Donzo, what up? Oh, in the last 10 minutes, why even bother trading this shit, bro? But who am I to talk? I was just trading it. That sucks, man. I'm sorry. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Oh, yeah. I just need $300 on this fucking account. How hard can it be? All right, guys. I'm gonna bounce because I gotta fucking I gotta take care of something. So, with that said, we'll do a giveaway tomorrow to commemorate to commemorate Cut's fucking awesome week, and he's been hitting the fucking super chat. So we'll do that tomorrow. Just remind me in case I forget. Thanks again for hitting the super chat. Cut, Holy Earth, I appreciate you guys. And anybody else who's done it. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. All that good shit. I'll be on tomorrow for Power Hour to close out the fucking week. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.